Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove age restriction on X Twitter. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, first things first, open up your Play Store and search for Twitter. Make sure your Twitter app is updated to the latest version. When it does, click on open and then click on your profile. Click on profile and then click on edit profile. And now look down and click on date of birth. Change your date of birth. You must be over 18 to remove age restrictions. So change that. And once you've done that, click back. And then click on your profile again. Scroll down. Click on settings and support. Click on settings and privacy. And then click on privacy and safety. And then click on content you see. And then make sure display media that may contain sensitive content is toggled on. And then click on to search settings. And then where it says hide sensitive content, make sure that is toggled off. And that's how you remove age restrictions on Twitter. So thanks for watching this video until the very end. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.